Hey, what's up? I'm Vasi. Welcome back. So I was thinking if Huawei launch on operating system, it will be good or not. It will be effect on Android system or not. So today on video we will see Huawei plans to replace Android with its own operating system. So let's dig into video. So Huawei plans to replace Android with its own operating system is a likely doom from a start, mobile industry expert says. Huawei CEO Ren Zhengfei, whose company is working on its own smartphone operating system to replace Android. First, Huawei efforts to build a replacement for Android is probably going to fail. That's why I'm thinking. Mobile industry experts told Business Insider, building an operating system is easy. That's the whole point. Developing the service and app ecosystem to go with it, isn't it? They says. So, however, effort to replace Android with its own smartphone operating system may well be an impossible task. That's the task of former mobile industry executives who spoke with the Business Insider recently. Building the operating system itself won't be all that difficult, they say. What we will likely prove it to be a Herculean endeavor will be developing the services and app ecosystem for it that consumers around the world have come to expect. So it is extremely challenging, say Andres Gale, the former chief technology officer at Mozilla who helped lead the development of the organization Firefox operating system. So that's it. This video is about the replacing Android system on Huawei to plain. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you don't like, so as you like, and hit the subscriber button. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.